Hello everyone, this is the next video from chapter 4, grade 10th HTML video it is, and till now we have done from chapter 4 subscript, tag, superscript and image tag we had done with attributes. So today we will start from linking. Linking, there is of two type, internal and external, but first we need to understand what is the linking. So linking, when we are attaching or going from one document to another, that is the link between the two documents, and it can be internal and external. What is internal linking? When we are connecting different segments of the same document, that is called internal linking, means the link between the same document, within the same document. And external linking, if we want to open any other file in the existing file, and if we want to open any URL, like google.com, we want to open any other URL. So at that time what we can use external linking. And if we are making the link between the different segments of the same document, that is called the internal linking. Now we will see that which tag is used for this. A tag is used for this, and A is the anchor tag. And that is used for the linking. So this A tag is using attribute href. Href attribute is used to link external pages, and name attribute is used in case of internal linking. I told you there are two type of linking, internal and external. We can do this linking with the help of attributes. So how we can write the complete code? As we know that whatever we will write in between the opening and closing angle brackets, that will not be displayed in the output, because HTML browser treats that as the tag, and tags never display in the output area. So here we need to write a anchor tag, its attribute href is equal to, here we'll give the file name with which we are linking our existing or our current document. Like I want to connect, I have a file in my system p26.html. So I want to link this file, and I can write the file name and extension in the href attribute. And here I need to write something, some text or hypertext I can say. By clicking on that, I'll go to the file which I have linked here. So like here I'll write link for the file. Which file? Program 26. And I need to close the anchor tag. So this text will be displayed when I run this program. This text will be displayed in the output area. And if we talk about the internal linking, then what we need to do? First we need to use the name attribute, and by using that name attribute only we can tell that this is the internal linking. Like I need to write a, then name, and in this name I'll write any name, like if I write here sample, and then I'll close it. This is the string or text value, that's why I put in inverted commas. And then I'll make this text bold, the same text. B tag here I'll use to make the text bold, and same sample, need to close the B tag. This text is bold, and this A name sample, it will not be displayed because it is the tag attribute and its value, but this text will be displayed. Why we kept it bold? Because this will be highlighted in the output, so that we can easily understand that from where the linking starts. So from sample linking starts. Here we can write how much text we want to insert in this segment. Here we can insert that text, and what we need to write in last. last of the segment, or in last of the web page we can write like we need to write here A and then href, and whatever text we had written here, whatever name we had given in href, we will write that with the hash symbol, and here I'll write sample, and then some text will be written here. Like I'll write this link is to mark the sample segment, and then in last I'll close the A tag, and we can write in capital as well as in small, and in last we need to close the body and the HTML tag itself. So this is the way how we can write the linking tags like anchor tag, and how we can use the attributes, name attribute and href attribute. So friends, now we will do the practical of this anchor tag. In this we will link the different segments of the document in one document or one web page, we can say. Fine. So there are two types of linking: internal linking and external linking. Internal linking links to different documents. The internal linking, on the other hand, links various sections or segments of the same document. That is called internal linking. And what is the hyperlink? Hyperlink is a link from a hypertext file to another document or to another file or segment, or we can say location. Fine. Now I am opening Notepad, and now you can see here I have written one program because it takes lots of time. If I start writing now, then it will take some time to write the program. So here you can see HTML had I have used, and in title I written linking, had, closed, and then body starts. Here you can see friends anchor tag href. Href is the attribute of the anchor tag. And what is the full form of href? Hyperlink reference. And one program I have linked here, image image.html. This is the name of the file. This is file name, primary name, and this is the secondary name of the file. Extension always called secondary name of the file. Because of the extension only we can recognize that which type of file it is. And here I have written use of the image tag, and I have closed the anchor, and then br tag I used because to give the space. Br tag is used to give the space. We will open this in the browser. For that we need to start any browser, and there we need to press Ctrl+O and go to the anchor. So here you can see use of dash, use of tag, but in Notepad if you observe use of image tag I had written. I told you that whatever we write in between the less than and greater than, browser treats as the comment, and it will not be displayed in the output. So if we want to display in the output, here you can again see use of tag is written, but I have written over there use of image tag. So if you want to display image in the output, then you need to write like this, img, use of img tag or image tag you can write. Save it and run the program again and observe the changes. Use of image tag. And what will happen if we click on it, use of image tag, first check from the code. Here you can see I have linked the image.html file, and this is the text given in between the opening and closing of the anchor tag. If I click on this text, use of image tag, this will be displayed in the output, and this is the hyper text. If I click on this, then only the image.html file will be opened. You can check over here. I have written only the name of the file with its extension .html. Any file from your system you can open, and you can give the name and extension in the href attribute of the anchor tag. Fine, you can move back and move back to the code. Fine. this line I have written to this line. I have written to insert image.html file as a hyperlink. Okay friends, next line. Check the next line. Anchor tag again, href, hyperlink reference, and here you can see https I written colon /www.google.com. This I written. So you can check it that if I write google.com, that the google.com page will not open because we need to write the complete web address. Either we want to open gmail.com, yahoo.com, whatever you want to open, you can link with your document. But for that you need to write the complete address, and the complete address starts from the https. What it stands for? Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. This is the protocol that is used for hypertext transfer. And here in opening href I written this complete text like the complete URL of the google.com, and after opening this anchor tag, Google search engine is open. This text I have written, what will display in the output, what is the hypertext, on that I'll click and then this Google page will open. So it's your wish that whatever you want to write here, anything you can write. And then I close the anchor tag, and here br tag is used because if I'll not use the br tag, then no space will be given. The complete text, whatever I written in first anchor, in second anchor, or in other anchor, that will be displayed in one line only. But I don't want to display in one line. So because I'll not be able to recognize that which text is of first anchor, which one is of second anchor. If again and again I had to check in the notepad, that's why I display these hyperlinked text in separate line, and to display in separate line br tag is used. So we'll run this program and we'll check the output, what will be the output, and that it will be used to open, it will be used, this anchor will be used to open the google.com. Fine, we have opened this file and we need to just click on the second link. Google search engine is open. We need to click on this, and if we click on this, then here you can see google.com is open. So move back. These two links we have visited. Now we will check the code for the internal linking. These two are displaying the use of the external linking because we are opening the separate file, we are opening the different file, and we are opening the URL. So these two links are of external linking, and you can see here we have used only href attribute of the anchor tag. We have not used the name attribute, and if in code it is written name, then you can easily understand that name attribute is used in internal linking. So how we can write? Like here I written, I will set a mark called, what is the name of that mark? Sample. And I made it bold with the B tag, and before that whatever text you are writing in your text that is displayed on the output, you need to take one word from that. Like I have taken sample, you can take any word from that, and you need to write the same text in B tag or strong tag and in the name attribute. Like this you can write, and then you can write the text whatever you want to display in the output. And in last, here you can give the link, or in last of the web page you can give, you need to write like this. Now a href, and here with hash you need to write the value of the name attribute. Whatever you have written in the name attribute, you need to write in the ahref with hash, and this is the text that will be displayed in the output, link to that mark, that is sample, and need to close the anchor tag. Here we will close the anchor tag because this is the closing anchor tag, and we'll save it. And here if you see, I have made 3 internal links. 3 segments are taken. First is the sample and second is the Hindi. So at both places I written Hindi, and third is the English. And same you can observe in the href, English, sample, Hindi. So what is the benefit of it? If we run the program, we'll check like here you can see sample is bold, here Hindi is bold, okay, and in here English. These are the 3 segments of my web page, and this is the last. You can place these hyperlinks after like here after the particular segment, but I kept in the last. So if I want to go on the Hindi segment, I want to go on the sample segment, like here which segment is displayed, you can easily tell me. English segment, fine, but I don't want to go to English segment. I want to visit the sample. Like if I have a document of like 35 to 40 pages, then I need to search again and again, need to go to somewhere on the specific page or on the specific segment. So at that time we can set the links. How we are categorizing our complete document. On the basis of that, we can create some links, and directly we need to click on the particular link to reach to the particular segment. Fine, I want to go to the sample segment. So once I'll click here and I'll reach to the starting of the sample segment. Again, you can check it again. If you want to move to the Hindi segment, so you need to click on the now a link to that mark, that is Hindi, and you can click on it, and the Hindi segment will be started from the start of the web page. So friends, this is the internal linking. Internal linking means linking that we are creating within the same document, different segments of the same document. If we are creating a linking between the same documents, different segments. And external linking, if we are linking any other file with our document or any URL with our document, that is called the external linking. So friends, for this video only these tags, internal and external linking, anchor tag, and href and name attribute were done. In next video we will do the mail too, like how we can send the mail from our browser. So thank you everyone, keep watching the videos.